Title of the experiment is RP of plane diffraction grating, that is resolving power of plane diffraction grating. Aim to determine the resolving power of plane diffraction grating. Spectrometer, plane diffraction grating, mercury source on auxiliary lens. It is the collimator of the spectrometer, and these are the telescope, LHS position and the position of the telescope towards RHS. When a single beam of light through the slit of the collimator enters onto this plane diffraction grating, it diffracts along the different directions. Here we are noted two directions. It is straight line as it is. The ray comes from the collimator and goes out of the window. Then towards RHS we are observing here yellow color through the telescope, and here to the LHS we are also observing. Now gravity element is equal to E n lambda upon sin theta. Diffraction element it is equal to n lambda upon sin theta. Resolving power of the grating Na upon a sin theta, and the resolving power of grating theoretically as lambda 1 plus lambda 2 upon 2 times lambda 1 minus lambda 2. It is the word as grating, plane diffraction grating. As like the prism, plane diffraction grating is another very delicate instrument in the optics in order to study the diffraction. In case of RP of prism, we are directly studying there the phenomenon of optics as refraction, whereas in this experiment we are studying in detail the optical phenomenon as diffraction. The simplest definition of diffraction is nothing but the bending of light beam around the edges of an obstacle is called as diffraction, and that diffraction how takes place through this grating we have to study here. And the same definition of RP of grating here, that is it is the ratio of average of wavelengths to the difference in wavelengths. The formula should be lambda 1 plus lambda 2 by 2 to the numerator and denominator as lambda 1 difference lambda 2. It is the theoretical formula for the calculation of resolving power of plane diffraction grating and the calculation of grating element E. Here E is the grating element, n order of the spectrum, then A alpha is the angle of diffraction, A is the slit width, and lambda is the mean wavelength of light. Now here we have to calculate the least count of spectrum as usual, that is the formula smallest division on main scale divided by total number of divisions on vernier scale. Since it is the instrument as a spectrometer, we are using for recording the readings as two windows as A and B, and that vernier scale is a totally circular is of 360 degree. And the final least count is in terms of minutes. That's why we have to record that carefully. Otherwise, in case of other instrument, while calculating the list counts, that comes out to be in terms of centimeter generally, but here it is in terms of degree. It is lambda 1, lambda 2, we have to take its average. Now spectrum 1, that is order. Spectrum reading LHS, RHS. Diffraction angle 2 theta is x difference y, and angle of diffraction equal to theta is 2 theta by 2. It comes out to be this. Now for slit width, the same observation table heads we are following. Now grating element E equal to n lambda upon sin theta. It is coming out to be 268.72. Again here this RP grating element is a constant number, and similarly resolving power of plane diffraction grating is nothing but this. Therefore angle of diffraction theta, resolving power theoretical, and resolving power of the grating practical. While recording the readings or mentioning the results, you have to write these three results, that is the resolving power of plane diffraction grating theoretical result and resolving power of plane diffraction grating after the experiment completion, and then angle of diffraction theta. Here you should know somewhat the theory about diffraction grating. That is, the diffraction is one of the important basic optical phenomenon, that is bending of light beam round the edges of an obstacle is nothing but diffraction. We are using here or studying that diffraction phenomenon by plane diffraction grating. That plane diffraction grating is theoretical grating element having 1.54 10 raised to minus 4 is the value of grating element. Now, while completing this experiment or facing for the online examination, you should know its oral. What is diffraction? What do you mean by plane diffraction grating? How you are obtaining these spectral lines or to the two sides of these, and what is the difference between refraction and diffraction? These are the some basic questions you have to follow. That's why while writing the journal, you have to write the answers of these questions in your journal for the preparation of online practical examination.